In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shindo Life on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and play Shindo Life using a controller. I am recording this video on my PC, but you can also do this process directly on any console or mobile. As long as you have a controller connected, you will be able to play the experience with only the controller. So, when you open Roblox, look for Shindo Life. It should be the first result to pop up. It is a very popular experience and it is developed by Realm World. You can confirm that it is the official one because it has more than 2 billion visits. So once you find Shindo Life, go ahead and join. As long as you have the controller connected to the platform where you are going to be playing, you will be able to use it. So you will load in, and if you have something like an Xbox controller, you will be able to press select and then you will see this little ball icon. You can use this to highlight options around the menu. So you will be able to choose the arrows here to change the modes, so you can switch from play to game modes and also the option to edit your character. Once you want to enter the game, go ahead and select play. You will load in and all the controls will be adjusted. Make sure that you select your map accordingly and you will be good to go. You will be using the left joystick for movement. You can press down on the joystick to start sprinting, and you will be using the right joystick to move the camera. The right bumper and right trigger alongside the left bumper and left trigger will be used to trigger specific actions in game. So as you can see, all of the buttons were automatically adjusted, so you will be able to do combos and commands using these two buttons here. And as long as you cycle between them, you will be able to execute all sorts of things. Now, I am a newbie and sadly I won't be able to demonstrate much gameplay, but as you can clearly see, the controller is working, all of the buttons were adjusted, you can jump, double jump, and do anything that you would with a keyboard and mouse, but on a controller instead. So all that you have to do is join the experience with the controller connected, and you will be able to experience Shindo Life using only a controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shindo Life on controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.